Hi guys, so I got this spider robot from car boot sale. It only cost me £1. I don't know what it's like, but it looks interesting anyway. I'm not sure if everything's in here, by the way, because obviously the person said that it's never been opened, but you never know. Seems like a bit of a build to do there. So we've got the important things here, the motor and stuff. Okay, so we've got to get the motor out straight away by the looks of it. So B3. Okay, so this has these ridges here, so that they're going to nicely goes into there, and the red lead goes through there. This is A4, and A4 is supposed to go over this like this, through these things. There you go. Okay, my bad. The black wire actually goes through there, not the red one. And then this goes like this. Anyhow, I've got B2, which is that, goes over that like that. Okay, we have these two to go on now. The larger one is the black wire, this is the red wire, the small one's red wire, obviously. This, but I think A3 goes into these. I think I'll trap there. Okay, so we've got the two big cogs there, which is B5, and one small one's B4, and this is A2, and basically it goes between this. So I'm thinking it goes in like that, and this goes in like that, and this one's supposed to go in the middle. The cut. There you go. So how I understand this is A1, and so is this. We've got this protruding thing here, and basically you just need to put this into there. They go into there like that, into there. Then you're supposed to take them out, take this out, then you're supposed to put the other side of the A1 protruding end that way. So you have to make two of them identical. The next stage, you need a C1, C4, C2 and C3. This is C1, holding it like this. C4 is this one. It'll go in from this side. Like that. C2, which got two of these things in, and on the second hole there, this first one goes in there. Okay, this is very, very stiff to put in. And it shouldn't be as stiff as it is now. It should be moving. There you go. Then you take the C3, the smaller hole there, and you push it through this one here. Like that. So that's that, and then obviously do the opposite end, but don't forget to hold it like that and push things from that end. Okay, so this end, this one goes this end because all these are pushing from that side, and the best thing to do is push this one in first. What I was going to understand. Then this one with a B1 goes through, I think, this. And that goes through there. And you do the same this side. Finally, of course, there's a B6 that goes on these things here at the end. Stop them from coming off. Here we go. There we go. Now these holes are on the inside of this, so that's the inside. The next hole, the other side of this thing, is going to the outside. So then you fit these together like this. You got A5 to go underneath somewhere. I think it's this here, which holds it together. And lastly, you got this rubber tube, which was a length, but they told us to cut it into 1 centimeter long, so I cut them up and they go at the end of this robot. So this is it. We shall see it working. The only thing that they do say is that if you adjust that there, one's making longer stride, the other one's making shorter stride. So I've bought some new batteries. Let's see if it works. Well guys, I've soldered these on just in case, but I've also loosened these up a little bit because I think they were too tight. So it works fine. Go to the side of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up.